Yeah, step ladder. Let's get that. So I just washed off my face. Did you find one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get a little step ladder here. Perfect. So where do you want me to cut?
Here if you want.
Why are we cutting those?
Just so you know your camera's getting shot with fender, which is fine.
Well, I can't really.
Why don't you? There you go.
This is a little bit harder to do because I'm flexing more, but
Yeah, you can actually get good video.
that doesn't work then.
All right.
Ready?
Hit it.
Come on. Got it. What was that?
So that's for the heater.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Here's.
Now do it. Okay. That is.
What?
Let me get you a different tool.
Okay. This?
Mm-hmm.
There's no way that's cutting that. There's no way.
Yep. Step one, first bite. Take a less bite if you need to. 2 hand squeeze. There you go. One. And then you grab a little more. Yeah, there you go. Number 2. Hit cut. Good job. Hit it. Oh yeah. And now I might have to do a little turn a little. There you go.
Yep, that's perfect.
Okay. Woo. I believe these have to come off, so I don't know if we should. I guess we gotta take them off. Take them both off. Take them here, and then over there as well. I believe those are 1/2 inch.
Those are thick little lines there. These are the horns right there. Those things definitely work. We tried them. So now what are we doing? This.
Take some stuff off here.
You don't want to try this?
Yep, we sure can. You're gonna have to use that here for sure. I'll use this one here.
Okay.
Make a day off.
Okay, now give it to me. Where? Here?
Yep.
Okay.
My way, break it loose first by your hand. Good, keep it going. And only when it becomes a little bit easier are we able to use the almost seems like never. Yeah, now hit it. Okay. Now we gotta hit the other side.
And do what there?
Same thing.
Cut wires?
Nope. Oh, that might be a possibility too.
Why?
Because there's wires here. I think we're gonna upgrade this truck to 12 volts. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are we upgrading the tires?
Oh yeah, brand new tires. And brakes. Probably a slight upgrade in the front.
So we're keeping the
steering.
rims?
Yeah, we're gonna try to keep the rims.
Alright.
Because I think that's a little bit authentic, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Has that perfect Chevy thing there. Oh, that's... Oh, I see.
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade this thing. You broke it. First broken bolt.
Well,
I'll get the snippets to get that out.
did it actually break? Or did it just come off?
No, that's a broken bolt.
How do you know?
Look at the end. Look at the shininess of that bolt.
Oh.
See if we can get that out of there now.
Took the whole thing out.
It's not happy. Not happy one bit. Alright, we ready to get the punch and the hammer. But
So then how do we get the rest out?
you can hit that one. That one when I get back.
How? I have no thing. Oh, when you get back.
Here you go. You can use the D.
This one? This is just gonna be awesome, isn't it? It's gonna be great. God, can't. Which way is it going? Got it out.
Your camera wasn't working.
Yeah, I can't see.
You know what? I wonder on the little tripod you can like sit it here and just
Yeah, you
watch.
can.
Why don't you pause it and then we just do different tripod setups.
All right.
Hey guys, it's been my son is bringing out the
Look over here.
younger years of me here. His ambition is outweighing our project, which is great.
Are you ready?
So what we're doing here is we've undone 8 bolts. We kind of watched a YouTube video on how to pull the whole front end off as one.
Do you want me to keep going?
A little bit, give it a little tension, see what happens.
I'm giving some tension.
Okay, whoa, hold on. Oh, yeah, there's some wiggle there.
Somebody just pulled in and...
Go ahead, get some weight on it.
This is stuck in here.
Well, we're stuck on this side?
Yeah. Do we have to undo these?
No.
Oh, whoa.
There she is.
Okay.
She is.
Ready?
Good eye though, good eye. Let me just shake this one loose here a little bit too.
Okay.
Hold on. We're a little bit hung up here.
What? On the lower?
There's no bolts. Oh, there's a bolt in there being fussy. Let me get the pry bar. Here, give them a little bird's eye view here. A little bit high. Here, right there. I gotta get the pry bar here.
This is what's going on from my angle. So we're taking this whole front end off. It's gonna go up in the air, and then we're gonna see everything. So yeah, that's what's going on. Weather's rolling in, so we don't have much time to do it, but apparently a bolt's being fussy. Whole thing's
Go
like
down a bit.
go down.
Yeah.
I gotta have my good hand.
Oh, there she is.
Okay, you ready? Hold the camera. Here you go. Ready?
We're ready.
You sure?
Well, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll see soon enough. Hold tight. Let me give it a couple shakes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the bottom rat hose. No, that's chopped. Never mind. It's
How's this side?
okay. Yeah, up we go. Good. Good. Keep her coming. Oh. Oh. Keep her coming. Oh shit.
What's on with the other side?
No, I don't know. We'll keep her going. We're good. We're free. No, let me just jerk this up here a little bit. All right, all right. It's talking to us, yeah. She's saying, hey, we should probably straighten that wheel out a little bit.
Which wheel?
The steering wheel. All right.
Oh, wait.
God damn it. Okay.
Let her buck.
Let her buck, is that what you said? All right.
How much?
Okay, back this thing up.
We're gonna hit the hood.
Well, I hope not.
Oh, it looks
Hold
like
tight, hold tight. I gotta jump our little. Okay. Oh.
Okay, we need more room.
More plywood?
Yes.
We'll magically put plywood down there.
Okay. What?
What the? She's nose heavy.
Oh, really?
Well, a little bit. She's free and clear, boss. But she's just got some tires and she's a little grumpy.
I'll raise it then.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Get her clear here, Jimmy. Whew. Oh, you're clear, man. You ain't getting any more clear than that.
What am I supposed to do with
You're
it?
gonna put it on the rocks.
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, stop it. This is serious.
Oh fuck! We sorry. Oh, hold on. We don't want to. Oh yeah, gearing. That's it. Now get the haul it on the rocks. That's it. You man up. There's okay. You're clear.
How's that?
That's pretty cool, I must say.
Holy crap!
I must say, this is pretty cool.
Isn't that cool?
We definitely need a rad cradle though. Someone hooked up. See, this is supposed to ride on the bottom here, but someone grabbed it and tried to pull the whole vehicle with it and ripped the whole goddamn thing to shit. So we may get one of those. We'll see what kind of parts we can get here.
Holy crap!
Hey, hey, hey! Oh.
Is it actually? I don't think it's loose.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Don't think so. The fan doesn't do crap. Well, that's the motor.
That's it.
Now we have access to the cab. It's just now we have the whole entire front end on.
It's blowing around in the wind.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna pause the recording now and regroup our plan. Over and out.
Because you didn't think of this.
We'll update everybody after. Okay.